All right, part 2. So Wyatt hangs a picture frame with a width of 17 centimeters on a wall. Okay, the distance from the nail to the edge of the picture frame is 10 centimeters. Find the length of the wire used to hang the picture frame. So we have our picture frame here, okay, and it's hanging on a wire. So here's like the nail on the wall, and the wire is going to go around it like this. My triangle is awful, so don't judge. Okay, they tell me the width of the picture frame is 15 centimeters. Okay, so this is 15 centimeters here. Okay, and the distance from the nail to the edge of the picture frame, so this line right here, is 10 centimeters. Okay, and they want me to find the whole length of the wire, but I'm going to find this wire, this length first. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, because this would be a 90-degree angle. Okay, so once I draw this line, I have a right triangle. Now I need to find out what this length is here. If I think about it, this would be halfway between, because we'd want the nail, we want our picture frame to be centered, so we want just half of what this big length is. So half of 15 centimeters is 7.5 centimeters. Okay. And now I have a right triangle, so I can do my a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so I'm going to do it off to this side here. Okay, actually I want to do it off to this side, so let's move all this over. Alright, so I have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now notice that the one I'm trying to find is c because it's across from the 90-degree angle. So I have 10 squared plus 7.5 squared equals c squared. And I've actually seen this problem yesterday. This is 56.25. It's 7.5 squared. Oops, sorry, you guys can't see my c squared there. And this, when I add them together, gives me 156.25. And to get c by itself, I have to square root both sides. So I get c equals 12.5. Now, that's not the question they're asking. We found c, but the actual question is find the length of the wire that holds the picture frame. So they want the whole entire wire, this red line here. So I need to double that. So I need to do 12.5 times 2 equals 25 inches. So that is what the actual final answer is. So you had to figure out what this length was, figure out what the length c was, and then double that to find the length of the wire. Okay. All right, we got some more word problems here. Okay. So we have this tree, okay, and its shadow. So here's my cute little tree. It's not a very good tree, but you know, you get the picture. And I'm kind of going to draw a straight line through it because that's going to be important here. And then it says the distance from the tip of the tree to its shadow. So it has some sort of shadowy here thing, right? Again, I am not an artist, nor are you guys probably. So they tell me that the length of the shadow is 9 feet. Okay, so that shadow is 9 feet. The distance from the tip of the tree to the tip of the shadow, so that's where my actual, triangle is going to come into play, is 15 feet. And they want me to find out how tall is my cute little tree here. Okay, so again, this would be a right angle. So I know I have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So remember, c is always across from my 90-degree angle. So a is going to be 9 feet. We'll just call x b in this case, and c is 15. So I'm going to get 9 squared is 81 plus b squared equals 225. Subtract 81 from both sides here. And I don't think this is going to be perfect, but I will see it. Yes, it is. So b squared equals 144. When I square root both sides, I get b equals 12. Oops. Sorry, that 2 looks kind of funny. So the height of the tree is 12 feet, which is reasonable. A tree can be 12 feet tall, and it should be below 15 feet, so we are good on that answer, okay? So your exit slip, I just want you to tell me if this is a right triangle with sides A being 3, B being 4, and C being 6. So this is what we did in the first part of the notes. Your homework is 11 through 19 all. Okay? Good luck and have a great day. Bye.